This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. You will love this floor plan, with vaulted ceilings, skylights, recessed lighting, island and large kitchen, fireplace and family room, formal living room and dining room, laundry closet and hall, master bath has separate tub and shower, big bedrooms, large fenced backyard, patio, cul-de-sac, great location, excellent schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.